In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Figma cookies and site data in Google Chrome. This quick cleanup is useful if you're running into sign-in loops, loading issues, or strange behavior in the Figma web app. Before we begin, make sure you've saved your work in any open tabs, because removing cookies will likely sign you out and reset site preferences for Figma. Start by opening Chrome and looking to the upper right corner of the window. Click on the three dots to open the main menu. This menu is where Chrome keeps all of its tools and options, and it's the starting point for adjusting your browser settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens a new tab with all your browser controls. We're heading to privacy-related options, where Chrome stores cookie and site data management. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. This section groups features that control your browsing safety, tracking protections, and data stored on your device. Now click on Third-Party Cookies. Even though the name focuses on third-party cookies, this page links to broader site data controls, including the area we need to manage data for a specific site like Figma. On this page, click See All Site Data and Permissions. This opens a searchable list of websites that have stored data in your browser, including cookies, local storage, and permissions such as camera or clipboard access. Use the search box at the top and type Figma. Chrome will filter the list to show any entries related to Figma's domains. This step is important because it ensures you're only targeting Figma data, leaving other sites unaffected. When you see the Figma entry or entries appear, click on Delete. This first delete action removes the stored data Chrome has collected for Figma, such as cookies and cached storage. It's a precise way to clear just what's needed without wiping everything. Chrome will ask you to confirm. Click on Delete again to finalize. The confirmation prevents accidental removal, so be sure you're only deleting what you intended. Once confirmed, the data is cleared immediately. That's it. The next time you visit Figma in your browser, you may be asked to sign in again, and the site will rebuild fresh data as you use it. If you are troubleshooting an issue, try reloading Figma now to see if the problem is resolved. This targeted cleanup is safe, quick, and often fixes common web app glitches without affecting the rest of your browsing.